Ayan, hello guys. Andito na tayo sa awarding ceremony. Ito na yung pinakahihintay ng lahat. Ayan, pero hindi ko lang alam. Yung sa una ko, nakamute ako. Walang sound, pero hindi naman maganda pakinggan kasi parang mga robot lang sila na umaakyat sa stage at nakatayo sa stage. So, bahala na guys. Kung may copyright, ito yung ating mga susunod na mga video na may music background habang nag-a-announce ng mga winners. Ayan. So, i-mute na lang natin kung makopyright man. Kung hanggang saan yung copyright niya, bahala na kung anong madatnan. Pero hindi naman natin i-re-upload kasi live naman tayo sa kuha ng views ng video natin. So, light copyright lang ito. Hindi naman ito reuse or re-upload. So, baka sakaling ma-copyright tayo sa music natin. Kasi yung music natin Ilonggo version ito ng music ng Paraw Regatta. So, hindi maiwasan yan na walang copyright kasi syempre sila yung owner. So, sana don't copyright, just for entertainment only. Ayan.
Our champion will be receiving 10 for Paraw Hiit will be receiving 10,000 pesos cash. Partners is award our second and first runner-up. And we are now ready to award our champion. Congratulations to CrossFit Ilog, June Alba, Kin Suelo, and Val Pendon. Ay, Reyna, ang katon mo sinila jumping jack. 1,000 ka, liwat kayang-kaya na nila. Before anything else, thank you to our Hiit chairperson, Francis Herona. Salamat din for leading our Hiit competition for 2025. And we shall now proceed to Paraw Aquathlon. We have two categories, one for male and one for female. So let's first start with the second runner-up, female. The second runner-up for female Aquathlon will receive 2,000 pesos. Our second runner-up for the Paraw Aquathlon female category, Lorraine Dassig. May we request Trophy 1 to please join us as we give out the prizes and awards for our aquathlon. And for the Paraw Aquathlon male category, our second runner-up goes to Francisco Gabriel Pez. Francisco Gabriel will be receiving 2,000 pesos cash. Congratulations. 4,000 pesos. Congratulations to our female first runner-up, Jay and Jill Marie Yu. First runner will be receiving 3,000 pesos as well. Congratulations to the male first runner-up, Jaymar Cabasa. Receiving 4,000 pesos. Our female champion is Daniel Patricia Valenzuela. Walang ka na naman. And our male champion to receive 4,000 pesos cash. Congratulations, Fernando Vista Jr. Thank you so much, Miss Jompia One, for joining us. Now to the next award, we have our Lamppost competition. We would like to request Mr. Michael Arico for second runner-up. The second runner-up will be receiving 8,000 pesos cash. Our second runner-up goes to La Paz National High School. We would like to request a representative from La Paz National High School. And the first runner-up goes to Jeffrey Papa Sitar. Jeffrey will be receiving 9,600 pesos cash. Champion will be receiving 12,000 pesos. Wow! Alright! And the Lamppost banner making contest champion is Dante Fernandez. Once again, to all more winners, you will be claiming your prize. Sa sulod sa Taton. Sa Consejo Hall. Consejo Hall of Taton. Ayan. Sunod naman, mag-award kita sa aton na winners for Pintalaya. We would like to request the chairman of Pintalaya, Nick Caspe, to join us and help us award our winners. And a certificate. Congratulations, our runner-up goes to B12, Marks Carly. Ang artist is Marca.
Congratulations to our winners.
And now, for the third runner-up.
The third runner will be receiving 8,000 pesos cash and a certificate.
The third runner-up goes to B10 Perfect Storm, and the artist is MAD or M-A-D.
And your representative from MAD.
And our second runner-up will receive
Our second runner-up will receive 10,000 pesos with a trophy.
our second runner-up is C6 Happy Hour, and the artist is Team Papa.
Palakpakan naman.
Balik sa stage si Papa. Alright. Malipahigit si Mama karon. Kay daogin si Papa. Kaduha na. And now the first runner-up.
The first runner-up will be receiving 10,400 pesos net cash prize and of course a trophy.
And the first runner-up goes to B11 Cheska, and the artist is Itaw. Kanamilaw sa aton mga artist. Kagina, lain nagasaka, lain na nagpicture. Subong naman ang nagpicture na, ang nagsaka, ang winner kagina, ang nagpicture naman. Kanami lang din. Igaog yun ang aton nga mga artist. Palakpakan please sa aton mga very talented Ilonggo artists. And the champion! I want more daw. Nag-request ang aton na official photographer na, sirs, please extend lang natin para kaligo. Kay doon gutokin. Alright.
And our champion for Pinalayag will be receiving a net cash prize of 13,600 plus a trophy.
Wow! And the champion for Pinalayag is C7 Von, and the artist is Kulangan.
Our next competition is Iloilo's Best Tasting Lechon.
And Rina, sa mga nagalantamdang nag-host, hindawan kita sa aton host man, which is Tatoy's Manokan and Seafoods. Gani ka pasalamat kita kay masking wala sila ya nag-intra sa aton ng Iloilo's Best Tasting Lechon Competition. Sige lang sila yapon hatag because of course, that's their way of saying thank you sa ilang mga patrons or ang mga loyalista gid nga wala gid ga-absent kadto sa Tatoy. So madami nga salamat sa inyo. Kag kung nakita nyo kagina, may ari man diri naghatag man lechon ang Tatoys for our guests nga nagkato, hindi lang para sa mga judges.
Yes.
So, kay Lolo Tatoy, kag sa bilog nga, nga Tatoy's Manokan, madami niya salamat.
Our first special award for best tasting nation is Best Float.
The best float will receive 3,000 pesos.
Our best float for best tasting lechon is entry number 2, Sarios Lechon. Congratulations.
Judges kanina, Chef Brando Santos, Chef Kenneth Cacho, and Kim Boy Feliciano. Nga ari man diri subong later, makastorya naton siya.
The next special award is the Best in Decoration and Presentation.
Best in Decor will receive 5,000 pesos.
Best tasting lechon, best decoration and presentation is entry number 5, Ray Ray Pregabit Lechon. And a representative from Ray Ray Lechon. Ang masunod naton nga award is Best Tasting Lechon, Best Liver Sauce.
Best liver sauce will receive 5,000 pesos.
Our best liver sauce is entry number 5, Ray Ray Pregabe Lechon.
Alright, Reyna, subok naman niya. Gusto ko lang i-clarify. Mag-award kita sa second prize, first prize, and champion. But, hindi ka masad ang atong two remaining participants because mag-receive man sila sa consolation prize. Kada isa sa ila will receive 15,000 pesos.
Ay, not bad.
Yes. So, hindi kayo uuwi luhaan. Alright?
Now, our second runner-up.
Yes, second prize. Okay.
Second runner-up for the best tasting lechon.
The second runner-up or the second place will receive. The second runner-up will receive 20,000 pesos.
Our second runner-up for best tasting lechon is entry number 2, Sarios Lechon. Lechon. Now, our first runner-up.
The first runner-up will receive 27,000 pesos.
Our first runner-up for best tasting lechon is entry number 5, Ray Ray Pregabe Lechon.
na to announce to everyone kung sino malaya ang aton nga champion or the best tasting lechon competition champion. Congratulations! You will receive 31,000 pesos.
Our Iloilo's best tasting lechon is entry number 1, Angel Man's Lechon.
Na sila. Pakadlo na sila sa stage.
Once again, from Angel's Lechon, congratulations. Our 2025 Best Tasting Lechon. Ilma, ala pa to, kay pungguhan tabuan.
Ay, tingili mo, gusto kong ulo. Okay, Reyna?
And now before anything else, we would like
Alright, ay kabongga sa aton nga result. We are going to award 3rd place. Madamay nga salamat
Thank you,
sa aton nga mga models. Ayan. 3rd place will receive.
Our 3rd placer will be receiving 4,000 pesos cash.
Alright. Congratulations to our 3rd placer, the Creative Horizon Model number 7.
The Creative Horizon is model number 7.
Please join us on stage. Ayan.
Congratulations, model number 7.
Yes. And ready na kita to announce our 2nd place.
Our 2nd place winner will be receiving 6,000 pesos cash.
Alright, congratulations. The 2nd place goes to Tadadi Tadada, model number 3.
Model number 3 is our 2nd place winner.
Champion for Pita Tao. Ayan, okay, ang mga naglantaw ready na ya. Ang models for sure, damo mo pa picture sa inyo. But before that, we would like to, of course, give or present a certificate of appreciation to our judges for giving us their time to help us award our winners as well. So, judges,
please receive the certificate of appreciation 2025 JC Rojas Halaran winner, Limuel Capa. Also may request Alan Angelos Kimbo and our chief judge, Attorney Mary Louise Reyes.
Yes, ayan.
Salamat for sharing your time.
Thank you, and judges, please stay on stage and help us award our champion for Pintatao. Sorry. Ayan. Gindugangan kung obra mo. Alright, hi.
Alright.
Okay. The first place will receive.
The first place or champion will be receiving 8,000 pesos cash.
Wow, congratulations to the first place City Model number 10.
Champion. Well, a well-deserved win.
Thank you very much and congratulations to our champion for Pinta Tao competition.
Thank you so much also to our judges.
Ayan.
Madamong ingat salamat.